welcome back to my channel. My name is Sena and this is Design Simply. Firstly, I just want to thank all the new subscribers, welcome guys, and all the regulars. Hey beautiful creatives, I am so glad to be filming again. I wanted to do something that was on a budget, or rather no budget. I'm kind of broke and this is a makeover or transformation I've been wanting to do for a really long time. I just wanted to revamp our kitchen and organize our cupboards without spending anything, just simply using what I already have at home and a bit of spray paint. So yeah, before I talk way too much, let's get right into it. So this is how my kitchen looks before in all its glory. I did not bother to remove a single thing, just to show you guys the real before. And now we're moving on to our super dreadful cupboards under the sink. It's a mess, and I'll just leave it right there. Okay, so because we're doing everything on a budget, or rather no budget, I decided to just put everything that I have and would like to see in the kitchen right on the floor, and then we'll just take it from there. I have some baskets that I've been collecting, some storage bins from Mr. Price, and a whole bunch of recyclable plastic. So I decided that I'm just going to paint everything black because all these basket and blue tones are just not going to work in the kitchen. The spray paint that I'm using is a matte black finish, which you can find at any local hardware store. So this is how everything looks afterwards. I actually really love this color. I love the finish of it. And also guys, do as I say, not as I do. Wear gloves. Did not realize how many bags we have. I'm like low-key regretting doing this, but yeah, let's get started. I need a game plan because this is not working out. I need a game plan so that it's quick and we're done. I'm out of breath. Ooh. Okay, let's get back into it.
Come to watch me dance.
So don't mind me, I'm literally just dancing and talking to myself, wondering where am I gonna start. So eventually I decided, okay, let me start with the brown paper bags. I decided to fold them up because some of them were already folded, and then just kind of kneel on them so that they kind of stay flat. But later on I will tie them up, but for now let's just keep going.
Everything well.
They're all shopping bags. I figured I'll just group them together, and then I'm gonna take a bit of string, tie them up, and then put them aside. I don't want to pack anything inside for now, so aside it goes. Do my gift bags. I'm gonna put them all in this one because I think it's like super cute. Yeah, let me do that. We have a lot of gift bags, but yeah, let me do that. enough planning. I'm just gonna start actually putting things inside. um, as you go, you kind of see what fits, what doesn't. With these things, really, it's all about how you want it to look at the end. There's a lot of trial and error, and yeah, I'm just out here trying to use what I have, as you can see, and create something that's a little bit more organized. So originally I wanted to use the space that I got from Builder's Warehouse, but the proportions were just not looking cute. The vase against the other vase just is not a vibe, so I decided I would just put that aside and maybe try use it later, and then just leave the plants as it is. And I'm really happy with how these proportions look. And for further contrast, I decided to actually add my cutting boards to cut against that gray backsplash against the black. So eventually I decided that it's time I use these super dried up eucalyptus plants that I've been saving. I just kind of like how the contrast looks, and for this corner I decided to use my Chinese evergreen plants named Bunny to kind of hide the rooter and some of the plugs. So sticking to the theme, I decided to repurpose the salt and oil holder to store our new soap dispensers. I'm just gonna pour out the sunlight into these black ones, and keep them on the windowsill just for easy access, and it still kind of looks cute. Recycling at its finest. I always knew that these little bottles would come in handy. Call me a hoarder or call me smart, but I'm gonna put some water into this and add some cute little plants. So just a quick reminder of how the kitchen looked like before. It was a mess, to say the least. And then the counter was kind of bland with no clear direction or styling. So I am really happy that we were able to achieve the final look without spending a cent. I think the only thing that I invested in was the spray paints, which will actually take me a long way with other DIYs. But the rest, I kind of just used what I had at home. I absolutely love how the kitchen counter turned out. It's just taking what you have, adding a bit of paint, and re-envisioning your kitchen. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what you guys think and what your plans are for revitalizing. I'm not sure that's the right word. Let's just say transforming your space. how this turned out. I'm really liking the black accents in the kitchen. I think it just looks super chic. A little tip: when spray painting black, I always find that matte looks way more expensive and looks like it's better quality than like a shiny finish. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this little transformation and what are some of your tips for like reorganizing without actually spending a cent. Yeah, so I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!
Let me know if you guys also have like a million shopping bags because you always forget to take one when you actually go to your grocery shopping. Yeah.